Hello, in this video we're gonna check if INFINIX Hot 12i has stereo speakers. So in order to check that, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. So on top there's nothing, only the phone call speaker right here. And on the bottom we have one speaker. On the left side nothing, on the right side nothing, and on the back there's also nothing. So now let's play some music and we'll determine if it's stereo speaker by checking if the sound is coming from both of the sources, the speaker and the phone call speaker. So clearly sound is coming from bottom speaker only, and that means it's a mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.